Hello, Hackogrammers. Welcome back to another episode of Certified Ethical Hacker V12 course in Hackogramming on YouTube. In this episode, we will start with the foundation of ethical hacking, so you can build your knowledge on solid grounds. That is why we will teach you what is ethical hacking and why it matters for cybersecurity. Ethics are the moral principles that guide our actions and decisions. They help us distinguish between right and wrong, good and bad, fair and unfair. Ethics are important in every aspect of life, but especially in the field of cybersecurity, where our actions can have serious consequences for ourselves and others. As ethical hackers, we need to follow certain rules and standards to ensure that we respect the law, the privacy of others, and the integrity of the systems we test. Before we dive into ethical hacking, let's understand some terminologies that are commonly used to describe different types of hackers. These terms are derived from the old Western movies, where the protagonists wore white or light-colored hats and the antagonists wore black hats. Let's start with black hat hackers. They are malicious hackers who break into computer systems or networks without permission or authorization, with the intent to steal data, destroy files, encrypt systems, or cause other damage. They are motivated by personal gain, revenge, ideology, or simply to cause chaos. They are criminals who violate the law and ethical principles. White hat hackers are ethical hackers who use their skills to protect computer systems or networks from black hat hackers. They do this with the permission of the system owner or administrator. White hat hackers are motivated by a desire to help and protect others, and they follow the law and ethical principles. Gray hat hackers are hackers who fall somewhere between black hat and white hat hackers. They may hack systems or networks without permission, but they do not have any malicious intent. Gray hat hackers may report any vulnerabilities or issues they find to the system owners or authorities, sometimes requesting a small fee or recognition. They may also disclose their findings publicly if they are ignored or rejected. Gray hat hackers do not follow any specific rules or standards, and they may violate the law or ethical principles depending on their actions and motives. Ethical hacking, or penetration testing, or white hat hacking, is the legal and systematic practice of testing the security of an organization's network and systems, using the same methods and tools as malicious hackers or black hat hackers to find and fix security flaws, protect data, and enhance security posture. This practice has been around since the early days of computing, but it became more formal and professional in the late 1990s and early 2000s, when organizations hired ethical hackers or consultants to perform security audits and assessments. And ethical hacking is now a respected profession, with certifications and standards, such as the Certified Ethical Hacker Program by EC Council. However, ethical hacking is not easy, as it requires technical skills, creativity, and persistence. And ethical hackers have to think like real hackers, and use the same tactics, techniques, and procedures that they use, following a 5-phase process: reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and covering tracks. Ethical hackers also have to follow ethical principles and guidelines, such as getting permission, respecting privacy and confidentiality, reporting findings and recommendations, and not causing harm or damage. Ethical hacking is a rewarding and challenging career path, as ethical hackers can work for various organizations, specialize in different domains or technologies, and participate in competitions or events. Ethical hacking is an important and exciting topic in information security, as it is a proactive and authorized way of simulating cyber attacks against an organization's network and systems, using the same methods and tools as malicious hackers. And it helps organizations to find and fix vulnerabilities, protect data, and enhance security posture. In the next video, we will talk about methodologies. We will discuss the different types of ethical hacking methodologies, and we will learn how to choose the right methodology for a given situation. We will also discuss the different techniques that ethical hackers use to perform their assessments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.